Hi everyone, welcome to the final video of the semester. This is just a few closing remarks and some notes about Essay 3 and your final course grades. Essay 3 is due tomorrow. That's Monday, December 14th. It's due at noon, which is a different time than usual, so please be aware of that. You're going to be submitting your essay to Canvas. There is a module at the top of our module section that is just called Essay 3, due Monday, December 14th by noon. That's where you will submit your assignment. No late essays on this one, no exceptions. Okay, I'm really looking forward to grading these essays. I've really enjoyed reading your drafts, and I've gotten to see a lot of your revisions, and I've really just appreciated the work that you have put into researching, writing, and revising. So as I'm grading your essays, I will start grading tomorrow on Monday. As soon as essays start coming in, I will start grading them, and I'll finish grading by Wednesday evening. For this essay, I will not be giving you comments about each body paragraph. I will just be writing you a very short endnote and putting a grade in Canvas. So that's what you'll see when you go in Canvas and look at your grade. Your course grade is made up of 3 parts. This is all stuff that's covered in the syllabus, but this is just as a reminder. Essays are 80% of that grade, homework is 15%, and participation is 5% of that grade. And just a few other reminders about passing this class. You must turn in every essay to pass this class, and it needs to have been turned in when we did the essay. You must also pass this essay, Essay 3, in order to pass this class. And if you want more information about the course guidelines and rules, go back to Canvas and you can look in the syllabus. It's way down at the bottom now in the Welcome module. I'll be posting your grades to Insight on Wednesday night. That's the 16th. Your grade will be in Canvas before I post it to Insight, and I'll send you an announcement when grades are in Canvas so you can review your final course grade so you know what to expect when grades go into Canvas. And it's also a good chance for you to make sure there's not some mistake. And by mistake, I mean a place where I have forgotten to give you a score or I gave you an incorrect score on something, especially if it's something significant, like an essay. Yeah, those are the most significant grades, are the essay grades. Also remember, it's not a mistake if you're unhappy with your grade. So if you have an 87 and you really wanted that A, but you don't have it, that's not a mistake. That might be disappointing, but it's not a mistake. Here's the grading chart. A 90 or above is an A, an 80 to an 89.9 is a B, and so on down the line. At DVC, we don't have minuses or pluses, so we just have straight up letter grades, and for that reason, I don't round up, so please don't ask me. Okay, finally, for all that official business, I just want to say thank you for a really good semester. It wasn't the semester I wanted to have because I wanted to be teaching in person. I wanted to be able to meet all of you in person and have regular contact with you. But we didn't get to have that, and so it was a strange and difficult semester, I think. But you made it worthwhile. Students always make it worthwhile. And I really enjoyed hearing all your thoughts and your ideas and your insights, and I also enjoyed watching you grow as readers and writers. So I'm very proud of you, and I hope that you're proud of yourself too and of your work. That said, I hope you have a really wonderful and restorative break, and if we ever get back to campus, I look forward to seeing you then. Take care.